Hello? Kennedy? Where are you going? I call the house.
What's wrong?
Wait till Kennedy, I'm coming. I'll call you back.
What's wrong?
Ah,
Baby. Why?
Patricia.
You know.
Patricia. No, am I dreaming or what? Or what am I seeing?
No, it's not what you think.
Patricia, that is you. What is exactly you doing for you?
Okay, it's not what you think.
What am I thinking? I should think different type. Patricia,
Okay.
what is exactly you doing over here? And then who are you working with?
We're on break, and then this guy has my friend.
Ah!
My friend.
Her friend. Patricia is her friend.
My church member.
Ha! Patricia!
It's my uncle.
Hey!
Ha! I'm your uncle.
My grandfather.
Your grandfather!
Yes.
Patricia, you know the fear face. Patricia, why I spend all my money taking care of you and going to school? Go and study. Patricia, you are walking towards boys. Young man.
Oga?
Who are you? And then why are you working with my wife?
Hey!
You are standing with my wife or you are working with my wife and then you are asking me why?
Sorry, she's my girlfriend.
If you don't know, now you know. Please, I don't want anything to happen to you. You are growing up, boy. Now you are coming. Sometimes it's very good that to grow somebody. You don't want yourself for trouble. Walker. I look for this now, Papa. Money. You say I have to buy everything.
Oh! I don't know. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
So that is exactly Ghana people they do, Abi. Somebody where you dey school, where you for go school. You dey school where you dey walk with people.
It's not what you think. I love you.
And then you have the guts to walk with my wife.
I don't know she's married.
You don't know.
I don't know.
Now you know. See, go in peace. Because if I strike, this place all go spoil.
Oga? And then why?
It's not what you think.
Oh, Sana, okay, tell me.
Come on, keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Okay. I mean, I know I'm
Patricia.
Baby.
So this is exactly are you doing?
No.
Patricia from Nigeria to Ghana here. Patricia is not small journey. And then you allow me spend money. Patricia, you say, man, buy you car. I didn't buy the car.
Yeah.
You say I should buy an dress. I didn't buy it.
Yeah, you.
You say I should rent a house. I didn't buy it.
Oh, God.
And then you have the guts to work with this mumu boy.
Baby, it's not what you think.
It's not
I
what I
love
think.
you. I love you.
Don't try to let me. Come on, go. Come on. Wait, come on, go.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Only boy, you trouble. Come on, go. Why Ghana guys is like that? After you spend money, the whole thing. See how the way they work. See, stop that shaking your buttocks. Come on.